What is going on, everybody? How's it going? So today we're going to be doing an unboxing on this box right here. It is a small little box. It's only like 0 pounds, 7 ounces. I got it from a buddy named Jared Sleen. He has an eBay page. I've been buying from him for a while. I'm kind of sick, so I apologize. I probably can't even remember my own name right now, but this should be the tweeter covers for 1996 to 2002 4Runners. The tweeter triangle-shaped covers that are on the doors that actually also cover the bolts for the mirrors. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So this is a package I got from eBay. A buddy of mine ended up getting in a wreck in his vehicle, and he started parting out his 2000 Toyota 4Runner Millennium Silver SR5. And too bad, because it was pretty bad damage, that the body wasn't savable. But I did buy some items from him. This should be the tweeter covers that go on the front driver and passenger door, right at the pillar, right where the mirror attaches, the outside mirrors. This also covers the bolts to the mirrors. But we're going to open it, unbox it real quick. I'm going to show them to you real quick. I'm not installing these on a 2000. I'm actually installing them on a 1997 limited 4x4 because those are broken. But they are, the tweeter covers will fit 96 all the way to 2002. There are certain things different between years. Like the cargo covers in 2001 and 2002 are different than 96 to 2000, excuse me. They're more rectangular shaped, where on the brackets that mount to the wall, they're actually more rectangular shaped. On 96 to 2000, 2001 and 2, the top of the bracket's square, the bottom of the bracket is like baby moon shaped. Dash panels are also different. Consoles are also different. Console brackets, the floor console brackets, 99 and 2000 are different than 2001 and 2, and 97 and 98 are different than all of them, and 96 is different than all of them. But let's get this open real quick. I am also thinking about doing a 2000 floor center console upgrade in the 97, where you basically it's called the cup holder mod. You take a floor console out of a 2000 or a 2001 or a 2002 or a 99, whichever one you choose, and you install it in a 96, 97, or 98. And basically you need to do that, you need the bracket that mounts the console to the floor, a matching console. So if you have a 97 that has, the floor climate control or the rear climate control module and the high and low fan on the console, you would need to make sure that the 2000 or the 99 or the 2001 or 2002 floor center console you get comes with those features. And then you need the emergency brake handle, emergency brake tub that goes into the floor. And then you would need, this box is empty, by the way, and then you would need the console. For 97 and 98, the console is actually, the ECT button and the back window button are actually on the console. So these are the tweeter covers. And the reason I purchased these is because the 97 ones that I have on Beast, this little ball is actually broken. So these are in amazing condition. Even the foam is all intact, which is awesome. The tab is intact. And then here's the second one right here. Nicely packaged. This one's the same. The foam is intact, the ball is intact, and we'll also go install these real quick too. So we're not just going to do a unboxing, I'm going to just quickly show you how to install them. They're not really hard, actually pretty easy. And I'll show you what I mean by the center console mod. It's called a mod because you take it from one vehicle and you basically put specific mounts in another to physically get it to fit. So this is a 2000. So the 2000 console, the 99, 2000, 2001, and 2002. Oops, sorry. So this is a 2000 console, but 99, 2000, 2001, and 2002 are basically the same. And there's two cup holders right here. You guys have seen these over the years. The emergency handle is on the right-hand side. We're on a 97. There is no cup holders here. There's actually just a giant tray, and this emergency handle, instead of being on the right-hand side, it's actually directly in the middle. So you basically buy this console and you install it in the 97. And since I need to walk over there to the 97 to install these, I'll just show you guys what I mean. This is a 2000 SR5. It's got the same style console. It's just got blue interior. Here is a 97 I call Beast. So this console is a lot shorter. The 2000 consoles are actually, they sit up about up here. This is a 97 console, and what I mean is that instead of the cup holders, there's this tray, and then you have the actual switches and stuff up here. So you got like the up and down back window, the very back window back there, switch right here. You got your security light and security switch here. You got your ECT power, normal on and off, and you have a dial on this one. And I did a mod on this one. 97 consoles, this cavity right here is actually quite small. They did not come with trays. So they did not come with these trays. The 97s did not come with this little tray right here. This option only came in 99, 2000, 2001, and 2002. And all I did is I just modded this. This console has a revision right here where there's the hole where you can actually put this tray. So you can actually have a tray. I had to mod this tray a little bit. And I'll show you guys. I had to cut these little hinges right here. These little wings. I had to shave them down and make them a little smaller. And I had to shave off a couple little, these trays have like little balls, half balls that are like little steppers on them to make it fit smoothly. So now you can literally push it down and it actually fits. So that's considered a mod. It's also considered a mod to take that console in the 2000, and all you do is just remove these two screws on the side, and then there's two screws down in the bottom in there, and then you would just remove it. But when you remove one of these, you want to make sure that if you have the high and the low fan in the rear, with the heater on and off controls, you want to make sure that you get a 2000 or a 99 or 2001 or 2 that has these features installed. Because this right here is actually not attached to this, it's actually mounted to the floor. And then you would just put the cup holder mod in here. So you basically turn this into a cup holder mod, and this sits a little bit further back. This is actually slanted like a 45. The cup holder style ones are actually a lot taller, and this slant is actually like an 89 degree slant. But these are the whole point of it. So these covers are a lot nicer than what's here. These are really scratched, and these are broken. So you can see the tab is basically snapped off. So this cover right here, you can see they're really glossy. They're a lot nicer. Definitely hasn't seen as much sun. And this foam just seals around the tweeter. So all you do is you hook this little hook behind the door, in this little hook spot right here. So this little plastic hook right there goes in here, and then this edge sits behind the door panel, and then you literally put the ball, this ball, into this little hole right here. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit. Ooh. That doesn't sound very good. Might have to clean these. I want to break the ball. There, it'll be okay for now. And then this one goes on the other side. And I'll clean out the hole later. I just don't want to break these tabs off. They were only 12 bucks. The guy sold them to me for $12, which is actually great because a lot of people are on eBay are selling these covers for like $50 a piece, which is insane. So it's got a lot of goop and stuff on it. Might be why they're broken, but I'm gonna fix this one and repair it. This hole is not big enough, so it looks like somebody put glue or something in there, but it's pretty easy to install them. They're not really hard. I'm gonna turn the camera off here. I showed you guys that one side. You know, I understand that I didn't show both sides, but this one needs to be repaired. It's not the cover that needs to be repaired, it's the door. Because this one's not really popping in very well. This hole is too big. Which might be why the old one snapped. Somebody glued or epoxied the hole and then it got stuck, and when they tried to pull it off, the ball snapped. But you know, it happens when you buy a used truck. You know, it's not a big deal. There it goes. So that one popped into place, no issues. You got to just push it in pretty far. So now it's smooth, it's flush. So the other one, that one on the other side, I'm gonna have to drill out that little hole that the ball goes into. Which you guys don't need to see that. Let me bring the old broken ones inside, so that way I don't leave them out here. So these are the two broken ones, and even the foam on these are pretty broken up. But just a quick install video, especially about these. Just wanted to show you guys how to quickly install them and give you guys a couple, you know, tips and tricks if you guys want to do a what it's called in the third generation 4Runner world is you take a console from a later third gen, install it in an older third gen, or a later model and install it in an older model. Do appreciate you guys watching though. I hope the tip and the information was helpful. I just got done a couple days ago installing and cleaning the door panels and replacing all the clips, which you guys saw. We'll see that before this video. This is one of the clips that I took out. I actually bought matching clips. There's nothing actually wrong with this one. This clip's actually in good condition. I just didn't want the black on the brown. So I replaced it with the actual Toyota clips that are the brown, the dark brown. These are a common failure. These little balls pop off, you know, this area gets heated, you know, something happens and people glue them back on, and then they glue the holes because the holes get oblonged, and then the ball doesn't fit properly anymore and all that. It's common, but like there's foam falling off of these. These are in pretty bad shape. There's no way to put the balls back on them. This one does say LH 67492. This one 67491 35010, 67492 95010. But that's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick informative video, unboxing, installation. Well, at least installation on one side, but I brought the old broken ones in the house for you guys to see. This is passenger side, this is driver side. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope the information was helpful for all of you. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hope to see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!